Hey everyone, it's Manero here, and in this video, I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of December are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing, and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero Challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check out all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you don't know what my challenge of the month is, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media by using the hashtags Manero Brushes and Manero Challenge, and also make sure to tag me so I can see it. Feel free to include this image in your post as well. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for December is a weird gift dude. The holiday season is approaching and it is all about giving, so the idea for this month's challenge is to turn a gift into a character that brings a smile to everyone's face. Picture a gift box with its own set of eyes, arms and legs, full of its own personality. I started with a sketch, where I would use the included brush in a small size to put my idea onto the canvas. All I was thinking about during this process was what kind of pose I wanted my gift character to be in, and I decided to make him jumping with joy, with a big smile on his face, looking at the camera. I adjusted things until I was happy with my sketch, erasing and redrawing when needed, and also using the selection and transform tools to tweak things around. When I was happy with my character, I painted his whole silhouette on a layer below the lines. And on another layer below that, I started working on the background. I improvised by painting directly with color instead of doing lines, and I only used those to define specific details, like the divisions in the wooden floor. With a basic background in place, I could turn my focus back to the character. My idea for this artwork was to avoid any kind of line art, and make everything with a painterly rendered approach. To achieve this, I lowered the opacity of my sketch layer, and I used that drawing as a reference for where to put my colors and brush strokes. Before rendering anything though, I separated the character into different colors and layers, so it would be easier for me to work on the different areas without affecting the others. The idea behind this challenge is for everyone to explore their creativity and inject a dose of humor into their art. Your gift dude could be the star of the holiday party, or you can put your character in all kinds of different scenarios. The story behind your character is yours to decide. The brush for this month is specially made to enhance your experience. It has a raw, grainy quality to it that adds a unique charm to your strokes. The included color palette is lively, with a handful of classic festive colors and a few surprises, like a vibrant blue and a deep or dark gold. These were my picks to give my gift dude a cool appearance, full of life and ready to celebrate, and I'm sure they will work wonderfully as well for your own take on this. It's exciting to anticipate the wide range of goofy characters that will come to life through this challenge. Remember, the aim is to have fun and to create something that can make everyone smile. If you ever feel like you're hitting a wall, feel free to drop a comment on this video, and I'm sure other artists or myself can help with suggestions or solving whatever questions you may have. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art-related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the Challenge of the Month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.